If I lost my entire insurance agency today, no leads, no agents, no carriers, this is exactly how I will rebuild it within the next 12 months. Hello, my name is Ortez, and welcome to Ensure Your Success, where we have real conversations about agency ownership. In August of 1999, I received my insurance license. Like many agents, I just was hustling insurance. I really didn't understand how to build an insurance business. I was just told, here's a stack of business cards, and everybody that you come within 3 feet of contact, give them your business card and introduce yourself and try to get an appointment to sell them some insurance. So one day a light bulb went off and I said, I'm tired of hustling insurance. I actually want to build a business. So my journey began. I opened up my first insurance agency. It was an exciting time, but it was real challenging. In any business, you're going to have your ups and your downs. But through those ups and downs, you should be learning from those experiences. And sometimes how you build it the first time, you may have to reconsider on how you're going to build it the second time. You can't keep making the same mistakes and getting the same results. First thing that I would do if I had to start my insurance agency over again, I wouldn't sell a single policy first. And you may be asking yourself, Ortez, what do you mean by that? After all, we are in the insurance business, and that's what we have to do in order to make money. And yes, you are correct, but you can't make money or run a business without first establishing your foundation. In establishing that foundation, you must have first a clear vision and a mission. If you have listened to some of my previous videos, I talk a lot about having a clear vision and mission. I truly believe, based upon my personal experience and my experience with mentoring other insurance agencies, this is either where you're going to fail or succeed as an insurance agency by having or not having a clear vision or mission. You see, your vision is a statement that you create and that you read every day that tells you how you would like to see your insurance agency look within the next 3 to 5 years. It's your vision that's going to keep you on track when you go through those rough times. It's your vision that's going to keep you on track when others try to persuade you to do something else. Your mission statement, or what I like to call your action statement, are the things that you should be focusing on a daily basis to make your vision become a reality. You have to have a purpose on why you want to sell insurance or build an insurance agency. Your vision and your mission statement is also going to help you define who is your target market. Many insurance agents fail out this business because they don't have a clear vision and a mission. Therefore, when they wake up every morning, they're in a mindset of hustling insurance instead of building a legacy. So after you create your vision and your mission statement, create an ideal agent profile of the type of agent that you would like to hire to your organization. Do you want to attract more experienced agents or non-experienced agents? What type of characteristics are you looking for in that individual? This will save you a lot of time, headaches, and money, because partnering up with the wrong people can blow up your entire insurance agency and leave you with a lot of headaches and debt. So you created your vision and your mission statement. You identified the ideal agent that you would like to recruit. Now it's time to identify the type of product that you're going to. So the first thing that I would do, I would first identify the market that I want to service. Once I identify the market that I want to service, then I will identify 1 or 2 core products that I want to push to service to that market. One mistake that many agency owners make, they try to be a jack of all trades and master of none, which in most cases creates income instability. And that's not a good place to be. So identify your target market and maybe one or two core products that you want to service to that market. And the last thing that you want to do to establish a strong foundation is set standards, set ethical standards, set activity standards, and set production standards. Before you sell one single policy first, make sure you do these 4 things to establish a strong foundation, have a clear vision and mission statement, know who your ideal agent is that you want to recruit to your organization, identify your market and the 1 or 2 core products that you want to service to that market, and make sure you set some standards. If you found this information beneficial and helpful, make sure that you subscribe to the channel so you can be notified when I share videos like this. Also, comment on what you would do different if you had to start all over again. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. Until next time, this is Ortez with Ensure Your Success. I'll see you on the next video.